For safety reasons, we are here today in Balocco, FCA proving ground with 80 kilometers of track that allows us to simulate every single kind of surface. So let's start our test drive with the city environment. So already starting from low speed, you can perceive the improvement on maneuverability for the steering setup of this Compass Model Year 20. The steering is more progressive in turning, but is also smoother and easier to operate. So we were to make the setup of this steering system more aligned also to the European customer needs. This allows to improve, as I mentioned, the maneuverability of a Compass, also in parking maneuvers. So it's very easier to be parked, very easy to operate the steering. At the same time, if the customer wants, the full park assist system is available. Safety on Compass comes as standard, so forward collision warning, lane departure warning are standard across the range. Also available, adaptive cruise control system, blind spot monitoring system that of course allow our drivers to enjoy the long range trips with this Compass Model Year 20. If we move now to the highway or faster roads, like in the countryside and open roads, we can definitely perceive and feel the steering setup, as I mentioned, which is always very responsive and direct also and higher speeds. And this delivers a higher level of safety and perception of control of the road. This new engine, 1.3 turbocharged front-wheel drive manual transmission and automatic transmission available, like the one I'm driving now, is definitely an improvement in performance. The drivability is better, is smoother, especially coupled with this automatic transmission. But at the same time, we have been able to improve the fuel economy, reducing the CO2 up to 30% according to the WLTP cycle. New also for this Model Year 20 Compass is the availability of the Sport mode. So with this button, the result is a more responsive map of the throttle. The steering setup is more direct, and also the gearbox and transmission map is quicker. The result is this Compass is always safe, but at the same time is fun also on the driving on road. So, for the final section of our test drive today, let's go to a light off-road. In these surfaces, Compass is always solid and at the same time comfortable. The result is due thanks to the FSD, frequency selective damping technology, that allows a very good setup on the road, we have seen that previously, but at the same time a good level of performance in filtering the rough roads and the surfaces like the ones where we are now. So overall, even for this 4x2 version of Compass, the off-road is always easy and safe. So for this new Compass, technology is the key. From the heart, the new engine, the 1.3 turbocharged front-wheel drive, to the brain, the Uconnect system, always connected to your smartphone through the telematic box. In the Model Year 20 Compass will be available in 3 trim levels: Longitude, Limited, S, and Trailock will come in the 4th trim level later on in the year, also with the 4xe plug-in hybrid technology. In a nutshell, we worked hard to make this Compass improve from a fuel economy standpoint, emission reduced up to 30%, to the driving pleasure, the setup of the steering system, the setup of the suspension to better fit the European roads, but always remembering that this is a Jeep, even if it's a front-wheel drive, so fun is the key.